What's up, guys? This is Nate. I'm just wanting to show you guys this because it saved me, well, it will save you a lot of trouble that I just had to go through with updating my FoxPro Shockwave. I got it up there, and my controller is right here. Now, this is already populated with everything I want on there. If you want to add something, you just hit browse, and what I did was I put all my stuff on the desktop because I instantly put it on there. I'm going to select the file. See, I got two of them right there. And I'm going to select the file, if I can find it. Right here. And then it'll update both of them. I put them both on there, and you'll hit select all, hit insert sounds, and it'll automatically put them on your Shockwave, or your FoxPro Shockwave. And I think this is similar to the latest calls. So, but anyhow, they're right there. Then you can go to edit categories. These are burden and stress sounds. So if you want to add them to the very top of the list, you'll select that. You'll find it over here. You'll hit insert sound, and it'll put it at the very top of the list. And if you want to move them up and down, you can move them up and down. But then you'll hit save and exit, and then you'll disconnect. You'll come down here, disconnect your FoxPro. Then you're going to unhook it. Hold on a second, guys. So I unhooked it. You're going to cut it on. And this is how you update the remote. This is where I had the trouble at. Like, wait for it to come completely on. It's on. This will save you a lot of trouble because there's not a video on it. So you'll power on your remote. I already have mine powered on. You'll hit back. Go to TX1000 settings. Hit download list. Hit confirm. You got to make sure your call is on. If it's not on, this won't work. And hit yes. And it'll download all the categories, sounds, and everything. So I did not know this part, and I had to figure it out myself by doing some research. And there's no videos out there, so I just saved you a lot of trouble, hopefully. Hit bird in distress, woodpecker in distress, and turkey in distress. There's the two new calls. So they're in there. There it's playing. So yeah, save you a lot of trouble, hopefully. I couldn't figure out how to do the categories on this remote, and I had to figure it out the hard way. So maybe it'll save you guys some trouble. Thanks for watching, guys.